Hello, and I am Salvatore Papalato, and I'm going to show you my IFB 102 project, which is a WordPress website that's off the Apache web server. So it's the web server I use itself, using these instructions in order to help me get it set up, installing the PHP, which is actually the fundamental programming language other than HTML that WordPress uses. As you can see, this is a widget here that I've downloaded, or a plugin I mean. That shows the server I've used, and I'll introduce you to the site itself. So this is the website itself. So basically it shows the basics of what I've done. So this was used using HTML. So hang on, it's loading the customize. So this was used using HTML, using a list script that'll list them out, and it'll show the basic contents. As you can see here, it'll list it out. This is the basic contents, a header, and this information was grabbed through was put in here. I created a new post, and it created through this here. Other than that, I used widgets which were able to show the date, an audio test, a 30-second video, limitation being with audio and 30-second videos, unless you upgrade to a higher premium version of WordPress, you're unable to actually download or import any actual video that's larger than 2 megabytes. Regardless, other than over here, I was able to show weather. This is interesting. I was able to actually go through a website and create an API key, as well as downloading the plugin here. The plugin here, and able to show WP Cloudy, and I can change however I want to show. So basically I set it to the background the color blue. I can change whether or not it's in Celsius or Fahrenheit, etc., stuff like that, which is quite handy to use. It's actually correlated really similarly to the bomb radar, which is quite handy. Other than this, these are just simple social media tags. This will take you directly to, for example, my page, or any other page you want it to go to take you to Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Other than that, that is the basic fundamentals of my WordPress itself. Other than that, I was able to go through here. This is where I actually created my database, so I'll show the database. It's very simple. Basically, this just shows that the database actually exists, and there you go, the WordPress database is actually there. So this is what it runs off, and it runs off the MySQL that you saw before. This shows the load and stuff on it, and the software it runs off, which is Raspbian. My Raspberry Pi is actually next to me, and it runs off the Apache server. So that's the basic fundamentals of what my website actually does. It shows content. It has a few widgets, such as the date, essential stuff, such as weather, cloudiness, precipitation, and stuff, which is actually fairly accurate, which is used off an external website as well, which is what it would be grabbed off, I imagine. Other than that, this is my WordPress HTML website, as well as using PHP, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.